Hey Cougars, so today I'm going to be teaching you all how to upload pictures onto HJeDesign. So as you guys can see, I'm already logged in, and now I'm just going to go up to that top bar and click on Library. So once here, I'm going to go over to the side over here, and I'm going to go down to where it says Import Items, and then click on this where it says Images. Now this little pop-up comes up, and it says Import Images, and I'm just going to go over to the side where it says Browse. Now, I definitely recommend you guys making sure your pictures that you want uploaded are in a very concise place, so it's really easy for you to find the pictures. So as you guys can see, this is the picture that I want to upload, and I already put it right on my desktop, so it was easy to go. And it's a picture of Scratch and the Morph Bin, so I'm just going to click on Open. And so right now it says pending, and so the pending status is just waiting for us to click on upload. If you guys wanted to add more images, you guys could go to browse, and you guys could keep adding images. As you guys can see right here, the limit's 50, so you guys can add up to 50 images for one uploading time. If you do not want to add some of these pictures, you guys can also remove all the pictures, or you could cancel it. Up to you. Let's say you just picked on the wrong picture. The next thing is you're going to go over to the side once you have all your pictures, and you're going to click Upload. Usually takes about a minute to upload pictures. If you have more pictures, you guys could always just minimize the screen and then keep doing your other things, maybe working on other pages while you're waiting for all your pictures to upload. Just make sure you come back later and tag all your pictures, but I'm going to walk you through the tagging process right now. So once it's uploaded and it's processed, then you'll see this little screen that pops up next that says Tag Photos. You can also click Not Now, but we're not going to do that because we want to make sure we're tagging our pictures so we can always find them. So let's click on Tag Photos. Okay, so here it's going to show you that one picture that I just uploaded. If you had a bunch of pictures, let's say you're doing all the assembly pictures, it's going to show you a lot more, and you guys will be able to go through all your pictures. But we're going to do this one. So right now, this is the topics, and so you guys could click on the topic that it would probably go for. You guys are also going to go over here where it says keywords, and you're going to start putting in some keywords. So in this picture, we have Scratch. So Scratch and Cougars comes up, so that works. But then we're also going to add Scratch because it is a tag. Then we can also add Spirit because he is showing a lot of spirit in this picture. And then we can also add Homecoming because this was a homecoming assembly that it was at. So that just shows you guys how to tag your photos, how to upload your photos, and make sure that you guys are ready to go for starting your different sessions for yearbook. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video, and I hope you have a great day. Okay, thank you. Bye.